In the fast-paced world of business, branding challenges often arise, causing enterprises to stumble. Issues like invisibility in saturated markets, inconsistent messaging, or a lack of customer loyalty can pose significant hurdles. But fret not, a robust branding strategy can be the game changer, transforming these challenges into stepping stones towards success. Enter WepTech Hub, a branding and marketing agency with a keen interest in fostering growth and purpose. With our expertise, we can turn your branding problems into opportunities. Whether it's creating a distinctive brand identity that stands out, ensuring your messaging resonates with your audience, or building a loyal customer base, WepTech Hub is your go-to solution. We believe that every brand has a unique story to tell, and we're here to help you tell it. Our team is committed to understanding your vision and helping you bring it to life, one branding strategy at a time. Think WepTech Hub. Think growth. Think purpose. For more information, journey with us at weptechhub.net or reach out to us on +23 768 1020 400. Your brand's potential is just a call away.